Who is the French basketball player that shocked Team USA in the gold medal game? A French player by the name of Jerson Yabusel. Try to say his name 5 times fast. Went absolutely insane against USA in the gold medal game. Even doing this to LeBron.
LeBron James!
But who is this guy, and how is he able to do that? Many people do not know this, but Jerson Yabusel was actually selected with the 16th overall pick in the 2016 NBA draft by the Celtics. But unimpressive stats forced him to leave the NBA and play in the EuroLeague. Ever since, he has been dominating in Europe, and even won the EuroLeague championship in 2023. So even though he's not in the league anymore, that didn't stop him from dominating the Olympics and making LeBron look stupid. Subscribe if you didn't know this.